Good morning student, myself Manoj Chotia from Raghunath Vidyalaya, Ratangarh. We studied our unit embryology in our earlier video. Now in this video we are starting a new unit, genetics and genomics. So first of all, what is genetics? Before studying genetics, we have to know about heredity. In this unit, there is only 3 chapters, in which first chapter we are starting today, Mendel's law of inheritance. Mendel's law of inheritance. So first of all, heredity. What is heredity? As you know very well that mangoes tree produce by the germination of seeds of mango, and puppies are produced by dogs, and human children is produced by human. So these are the examples of a particular species in which they can transfer their characters to the new generation, and this is called heredity. Means what is heredity? Transfer of characters from one generation to another generation in the form of anything. As today we know the DNA is the main heredity unit which can transfer the characters from one generation to another generation, but Mendel give them name the factor, or today we know about these characters are goes from one generation to another generation by genes, and gene word was first of all given by Bateson. So Bateson was the father of modern genetics, but the father of genetics is Mendel or Gregor John Mendel. So what is the heredity? Transfer of characters from one generation to another generation is called heredity, and the study of heredity we can say genetics, or in a particular word, genetics is known as, or genetics is known as the study of heredity, or the science which deals about heredity, or in which the characters of heredity are studied is called genetics. So genetics is a larger word and heredity is a shorter word, and the father of genetics is Mendel, Gregor John Mendel. And whenever we talk about modern genetics, then the father of modern genetics is William Bateson, because William Bateson proposed or founder of the word gene, and gene are the main characters which gene are the main factors which transfer the characters from one generation to another generation. So first of all we talk about Mendel's life, because Mendel is the father of genetics. Modern genetics is originated as a result of Gregor John's Mendel experiment. Mendel born in Austria. Now that place is in the Czechoslovakia. He born in 1822 and died in 1884. He is known as father of genetics. He was born on 22nd July in 1822. First of all, he studied natural science and mathematics in his graduation and post-graduation. Then they joined a university as a teacher in Vienna University, and then after they go to the a church. Here they can work as a padri, and so here they obtained Gregor's synonym. So he called Gregor John Mendel. At there in church garden, they do some experiment on the plant of pea. In local language we can say matar. They grow pea in their garden. About 30,000 plants they can grow in that garden. So the first question arises here, why Mendel choose the plant of pea? Mendel chose plant P in his experiment because of following characters, or we can say I am telling you the characters. First of all, it can easily grow in garden, means P can easily grow in garden or in any flowering pot also. The lifespan of P is only a single year, or we can say the pea plant complete their life cycle in 1 year. So we obtain experiments result in a very few days. Now pea has a bisexual flower. Bisexual flower means both the reproductive organs are present in a same flower. So they have bisexual flower, means P have bisexual flower. And the most important characters of choosing P, that is it has self pollination, but cross pollination is also occur in pea plant, means its flower are bisexual and they have self pollination, by which purity of character is maintained for many generations, and cross pollination can also be achieved in it. First of all, you have to know what is pollination, that we discuss in the embryology of flowering plant. Pollination, transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma, is called pollination. And whenever all the flowers which are situated on a same plant and they can pollinate each other, then it is called self pollination. Whenever the pollination occur between two plants, then it is called cross pollination. So mटर has in its natural condition self pollinated, but cross pollination is also achieved in it. And the last and a very important character of choosing P in his experiment, that is many contrasting characters are found in pea plants. Many contrasting characters means the opposite characters are found in a pea plant. So you have to remember how many opposite characters are found in a pea plant. There are 34 characters. 34 contrasting characters are found in P. Among them, only 7 are studied by Mendel. Mendel do his experiment, 3 types of experiment: monohybrid cross, dihybrid cross, and polyhybrid cross, and give 3 laws: law of dominance, law of segregation, and law of independence inheritance. And his experiment was published in a short magazine with the heading Experiment in Plants Hybridization, and that magazine is not famous at that time, and also Darwin's experiment are going on the going between scientists, so they cannot emphasize on the Mendel's law and Mendel's experiment. But after 34 years of Mendel's work, 3 scientists, you have to remember name of these scientists: Hugo de Vries, Carl Correns, and von Cermak. Again do that type of experiment which have done by the Mendel before 34 years, and they can give the achievement of Mendel's to these law. Who are the 3 scientists? Hugo de Vries of Holland, Carl Correns of Germany, and Erich von Cermak of Austria observed the same result like Mendel from their separate experiments, by which forgotten works of Mendel retain validity. So they can give respect to Mendel by our experiment. So the main thing is that in pea plant there are 34 contrasting characters are found. Among these 34 characters, only 7 characters are studied by Mendel, and their contrasting characters are also present. And why Mendel is succeed? Because he can choose only 7 characters because out of these 34. ये जो 34 कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स हैं, इनमें से मेंडल ने 7 कैरेक्टर्स चूज किए. अगर मेंडल उन 7 को छोड़कर कोई दूसरा कैरेक्टर ले लेता तो मेंडल जितना सक्सेस हुआ था उतना सक्सेस नहीं हो पाता, बिकॉज at that time linkage is not discovered, and in these 7 characters the linkage is absent. And what is linkage? Linkage is the transfer of characters or gene from one generation to generation or another generation. 2 or more than 2 genes are transferred together, that is called linkage, and linkage are absent in these 7 characters. What are these 7 characters? First of all, height of plant character, and P has contrasting character. So what are the contrasting character? One plant is tall and another is dwarf. So these are the contrasting features in pea plant. Second, position of flower. You have to remember these 7 characters. Position of flower means where flower is situated, on the axillary side or on the terminal side. Axillary and terminal. Whenever flower arises on the lateral side of plant, then it is called axillary, and when flower arises on the top part of the plant, then it is called terminal. And whenever the terminal part is converted into flower, then the vegetative growth is stops. Next, color of pod. Color of pod means you can see the color of pod is green and yellow, 2 contrasting characters. Shape of pod. Shape of pod. Shape means whenever you can see the shape which can be obtained from the market, then inflated and flaccid, or we can say constricted or constricted. Then shape of seed. Shape of seed. Constructing characters, rounded and wrinkled. Next, color of cotyledon. Color of cotyledon. What is cotyledon? We discussed earlier. Now I am telling you what is cotyledon. The first leaf which arises from seed. The first leaf which arises from seed is called cotyledon. So green and yellow are the contrasting character. In 7th character there is a differentiation between scientists. Some scientists or writers are telling the 7th character is color of flower. Sometimes scientist says that color of seed coat. So we have to know or what we remember. So color of flower we have remember, that is violet and white. So these 7 characters are studied by Mendel, in which contrasting characters are present. On these 7 characters Mendel do his 3 experiments. First monohybrid, second dihybrid, and third polyhybrid and give three law of inheritance, or that laws are also called the law of genetics. So in tomorrow's video we start first experiment, monohybrid cross. Till then, thank you.